education leadership conference targeting senior teachers and administrators throughout the country was opened today. Seneca Thorne has that story.
Some 50 head teachers who are drawn from primary schools across the 10 administrative regions are participating in a leadership conference which is being held at Duke Lodge, Kingston, Georgetown. Education Minister Nicolette Henry explained that the conference supports the high priority that government places on advancing the development of education and added that it sets the pace for much needed change in the education sector today.
We have a great opportunity at this time through this conference for growth, exploration, learning, and development. In order to achieve the best in education, the Ministry of Education recognizes that there must be professional development and capacity building.
During brief remarks, Chief Education Officer Marcel Hudson told the participants that it is compulsory they remain focused and observe the information that is being shared.
And more important, seek to transfer what you will learn to the classroom and to all those who are under your sphere of influence. Let this not just be another workshop. Let us become servants and rise to the occasion of empowering those beautiful minds that await the manifestation of the giftings that are within us.
The conference will provide participants with fundamental information of leadership concepts, theories, and approaches that are frequently used in the delivery of public education in particular. The training session is being facilitated by Head of Leadership in Education Services Limited, Denise Hillman, along with University of Guyana's Vice Chancellor, Professor Ivlock Griffith, and Chief Education Officer Marcel Hudson. Seneca Thorne for InfoHub.